Now if you want to stunt on somebody, I don't think Yeezys will really like do it, you know what I'm saying? If you want to be like, yeah, I just got the new Yeezys, and people gonna look at you like, okay. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Aylin, and we back today with another video for y'all, man. So if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel, man. Yo, so we're back today with another sneaker review, and we're coming back for the most anticipated restock, I guess you could call, re-release, whatever you want to call it, for the year. And you guys should already know by the title. Here's the box. Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Bread colorway. Yo, this shoe right here is crazy, man. It's crazy. So when this shoe first released in 2017, it really set the sneaker world on fire. It was an all black Yeezy with the red writing. So if you know anything, like red was like the signature for Yeezys, like Red Octobers, and the Red October is just like set a like standard for all red shoes, and people just put red and Yeezys together. So coming into this release, it was like, yo, they're doing an all black with red bread. Ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doom. You guys should know that the breads for Jordans is the most iconic sneaker of probably of all time, you know what I'm saying, Michael Jordan. And for Adidas and Kanye West to come out with a bread colorway in their best-selling silhouette was pretty crazy at the time. So when this shoe came out, it was just like, yo, it set the world on fire. I was able to get a pair back then, and resale on them was pretty crazy. It was like upwards to almost $1,000, and I beat that pair to the ground. It's probably in the basement. I should have found it for the video, but I just didn't even want to show you guys what I did to the shoe. I really wore it through the rain, the snow, everything, like when I was at college. But we do have today's shoe. So here is the box, Boost 350, and here's the size tag. It's pretty weird because this one says made in Vietnam, and this is probably the first time, one of the first times I've seen a Yeezy 350 shoebox that says made in Vietnam, and it has the funky like font. It's not fine as the China pair. I'll show you guys. I have a size 12 here as well. You see how this one is fine, and the pair from size 9 is not as fine. It's more of a, the font is, I don't know how you call it. This font usually pops up on the made in India pairs, but well, happened to be made in Vietnam, I guess. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing, man. That's what you guys are here for. Ba-boom. So yeah, man, first, you know, Yeezys come with the paper, the Yeezy paper. Should have a little gloss to it. It's brown, I guess tan. I don't know what color that is. A little colorblind, pardon me. But jumping into the shoe, man, Yeezy 350s, man. To this day, Yeezy 350s are still one of the most comfortable shoes. I think these first came out, the V2s came out in 2017, and it just changed the sneaker game. At first, you know, everybody thought it was like a Roche run, whatever, but you could see that Roche runs are gone and Yeezys are still here to stay. So this is pretty insane. Now before we get into the colorway breakdown and the whole review, let's just cut to a quick B-roll, show you guys the different angles and stuff of the shoe, and we'll come back and hit you guys with the review. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, quick colorway breakdown. It's going to be simple for this one. All black shoe with Supply 350 lettering in red, and the pull tab on the back has red accents. The Boost is obviously white, and everything else about the shoe is just black. Black laces, black insole that says Adidas, Yeezy, and yeah, man, or as they would say over in Europe, Adidas. You know what I'm saying? Now the whole shebang. Sizing go true to size or half size up on Yeezys just to be comfortable. So I like to give the example, I am an 8.5/9. I would get the higher size to be comfortable. So I get a 9 in Yeezys, and I can even go up to a 9.5 just to be more comfortable. Now talking about being comfortable, Yeezys, like I said before, are super duper comfortable. And yeah, this pair of shoes is probably one of the most comfortable shoes in my collection. Unfortunately, I only have one pair of 350s right now, and that's the all black colorway, because the Bred I have, I don't even wear no more. It's in the basement. So I'm gonna be towing this pair for sure. And just quick tech, it's just full length boost with caged in by the outsole, and prime knit upper, all black, besides the little red. And yeah, man, super comfortable. You can't go wrong with a prime knit upper. It's a knit upper followed with a boost cushioning, and yeah, lightweight, bouncy, comfortable. What more do you want from a shoe? You feel me? About the style, Yeezys are pretty stylish, but it's starting to get played out now. Like, everybody has a pair of Yeezys, and you're starting to see like terrible fits and this, that, and third. So I don't even look at Yeezys like a shoe to like stunt or pull off a great fit in. To me, Yeezys, I just wear sweats and comfort, being cozy. You feel me? It's a good shoe for that aspect. Now, if you want to stunt on somebody, I don't think Yeezys will really like do it. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be like, yeah, I just got the new Yeezys, and people gonna look at you like, okay. But it's still pretty stylish, to say the least. This shoe is very clean, can't even lie to you, and you know, you could pull it off. It's just classic. It's a classic, you know what I'm saying? To wrap things up, I'm going to give you guys a quick little on feet of how these look on foot, and give you guys the resale predictions when I come back and wrap it up with my final thoughts. Alright, so coming back from the on foot, give you guys a quick little resale prediction. Right now, the shoe is doing pretty well. It's around 375 to 400 on almost all sizes. Base sizes are doing a little bit better, but this shoe itself is a classic Yeezy colorway, so it's gonna do well on its own. Prices did come down. Like I said before, it was upwards of $1,000. And right now, a lot of people don't know what to do. They don't know if they want to hold it because the market tanked, and they want to hold it so it could go up back to almost 1,000. That's what a lot of people think, and people have been asking me, man. So here is my opinion and advice on the shoe. As for this shoe right now, I would suggest selling it right now, just because, you know, you can make your profit. Because I do think once pairs start rolling in, it's gonna drop down to like 340, 350, because they were mass produced. Like Adidas had over 100 something K stock, Yeezy Supply had like 70K stock, and Footsites had 60K stock, along with stock being in stores and other boutiques, you know what I'm saying? So right now, I would suggest selling them. But if you want to look long term, at the all-time low of these shoes, I would suggest picking up a good amount of pairs and holding them. So once they hit, I would think under 350, if you get pairs for under 350, close to 300, then it'll be a great buy to hold into the future. So you have to know that retail after tax is $240, so buying them for close to 300 is not bad at all, especially for this particular shoe. And I think it's gonna be going up to like 4 or 5, probably 500, I hope, and should sit around there because there's just a lot of pairs that came out. So a shoe I would compare these to would be the all black Yeezys that came out last year on Black Friday. Just look at how that restock happened and how the shoes followed, and you can also look at how Zebras did. So those are two perfect shoes to follow if you're looking at aftermarket resale on these. But to wrap things up with my final opinion, man, Yeezy 350 V2 Breads, clean sneaker, super classic sneaker, can't go wrong with it, like I said. And I'm adding a pair to my collection. I don't know what, if you guys want to keep on to them to make profit, and you guys are over Yeezys, but you know, can't go wrong with a pair of Bread Yeezys added back into your collection. So yeah, man, that wraps up this whole review. This your boy A Lin. You guys make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, and I'm out.